Okay, we've got the W-06 model up here now, and I want to show you how this one works. It works exactly the same way as the '07 model, except the only thing different in these two sharpeners is the motor's a little smaller on this one, and the grinding wheels are a little smaller. But this is an 1/8 inch wheel, and it is 120 grit, which will give you a super sharp blade. And anyway, it'll come same way the '07. All you gotta do is just put this one bolt in here, and this one big knob back here. You just slide that in that hole there, and set this on 10 degrees, and then put your grinding wheel in there, and you're ready to sharpen. Now this is a inch and a quarter blade, and this sharpen all the way from 1 inch to a 2-inch wide blade, just like the W-07. Only thing you gotta do, like I said, loose these two nuts back here and slide up. You're gonna sharpen a 1-inch blade. If you're gonna sharpen a 1.5-inch blade, just loose them and slide them down. It's got no grooves back here. Then you tighten it back down. Or if you're gonna sharpen a 2-inch blade, you just loose the nuts here, and then take the box completely out, and the blade right along this blade guide, the bottom of it. And this one of my favorites, this sharpener here, because I designed this one myself several years ago. And when I got away from the circular saws and started using the band saws, I got sharpeners with the sawmill, and I bought sharpeners, and none of them done a good job. And one thing, I bought one, it come from a sawmill I bought new, and it was made out of a angle grinder. I mean, it set an angle like this, but when you brought it down, it didn't come down the angle of your tooth. It just comes straight down and made your tooth vertical. It didn't have no hook in it. So, I mean, I fooled around with them for a while, and then pretty soon I said, hey, I could make a better sharpener than that. I made this one, and I kept improving my sharpeners and everything over the years. And now we've got some good sharpeners that does a heck of a good job that you'll like, and it does a good job. And I want to take and turn it on now and show you how quiet it runs. I just turned it on. You probably can't even hear it run. So, but first thing you do when you start sharpening, I usually have this already set when it leaves here, but I want to show you this just in case if you get off or something and want to set everything back where it was. But see that grinding stone touching that tooth right here? And what you want to do is loose this knob right here just a little, maybe a little more, and maybe just a little more, and just smooth it, and that's about right there. And then you tighten this set screw down, this nut right here, and then also this knob back here is adjust it so you won't grind into your gut. And what you want to do is adjust this so that it just comes down and touches your gullet. And but don't ever, and then tighten that back down right here. And then, but you don't want to ever grind into your gullet because that's the most narrow part of your blade. And if you start grinding into your gullet, it's going to be a weak spot. And when your blade gets stressed, that'll be the first place it'll break. So we're going to try this right here and see how it works. And sharpen a few. And now this is a 134-inch blade. And if you sharpen the speed that I do, I don't try to sharpen too fast because I don't want to take a chance on burning my tooth. So about the speed that I sharpen, I can sharpen these blades this size in say 8 to 10 minutes, something like that. And so we're going to sharpen a few to show you how it works. And we just turned it on now. You can see how quiet it is. And you just want to take a very little off of that too. We're going to take just a little more off this time. About like that. And that's about the speed that I sharpen them. You don't want to go any faster than that, because like I say, you don't want to take a chance on burning your blade, or don't try to take too much off, because all you need to do is just take a very little off like that. And when you get done, you got yourself one sharp blade. And when you put that on your mill, you'll be surprised at how much better it'll cut than a brand new blade that's never been sharpened before.